One of the great new enhancements with our latest products is the ability to pair devices directly with an accessory, such as a remote microphone, a TV device, or the table mic, which I'll show you how to pair them and set them up initially. So basically, what you need is just the devices and the accessory. You turn them on first, the accessory, by pushing the button on the side, and then find the little Bluetooth icon, typically on the back. What you'll see that it begins flashing slowly blue, and then you need to reset the instruments by placing them in the case or shutting them off and back on again to put them, the instruments, into pairing mode. Set them on the accessory or nearby, and after less than a minute, what you'll see is first one side go green and the other side turn from blue to green, indicating that your hearing aids and the accessory are paired and ready to go. You can operate them either with just the hearing instruments and the accessory or via the Thrive app.